This is the launch of a satellite which captures high-resolution and high-definition images. A satellite that has nothing to do with any government.
We need a no-go time for the nadir point.
It was launched a few months ago by a Silicon Valley startup for its private clients, but it's also being used to help look for wreckage of Malaysia Airlines Flight 370.
Wherever possible, we've tried to use the images that we're collecting to help people around the world.
This is mission control at Skybox Images in California's Silicon Valley, where 15 times a day,
Okay, we have radio signal. We are downlinking images.
employees check on the health of the satellite and download pictures and video, including images from the Indian Ocean. Skybox shares its findings like this large white spot in the middle of the search area. But could this be part of the plane? Certainly other pictures are not the least bit ambiguous. For example, during the demonstrations in Ukraine, in Kiev.
Hey, here's the smoke here.
Right,
Yeah.
related to some of the fires.
And that's amazing. Keep in mind,
the
the satellite is so far in the sky, and
Right.
you're seeing the smoke as clear as
right,
it goes.
2 million feet away.
And in other countries, like Saudi Arabia.
This shows the port of Jeddah in Saudi Arabia. And you're able to see individual shipping containers sitting in the storage facilities of this port.
And at the Khartoum airport in Sudan.
You can zoom in this closely to see the types of planes, how many planes. You can do this at any airport, anywhere in the world. You zoom so close, you can see that it says here runway 12. And runway 12 goes to the southeast. So you can tell even which direction this is going just by looking at this picture.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's what the 12 means. It's going 120 degrees.
But this company can't tell if this white spot is airplane wreckage in the Indian Ocean. So why such uncertainty if you can actually see numbers and words on the ground in other pictures taken from space?
It's absolutely easier to see that something is a car in a parking lot on land and to be able to determine that with high confidence than to be able to determine that something is a piece of an airplane or another type of debris field in the ocean.
And it's because it's water, there's nothing else there. There are clouds and there are waves.
Absolutely.
This is the so-called clean room here at this company where the satellites are assembled. We have to wear these clothes because no dirt or germs can come anywhere near these satellites. This is the satellite project manager. This is Kelly Elwood doing some work right here. They have to be so clean here, a camera can't even come inside here, so the camera and the cameraman are outside this room right now. But this particular satellite, the company's second, is expected to be launched this June.
More satellites mean more business for this company. But Skybox also plans to keep taking images of emergency and political hotspots on its own dime.
We find that these imaging satellites are a tremendous source of transparency to help humanity on a daily basis.
And as part of that, the company will continue looking for plane wreckage in the Indian Ocean. Gary Tuckman, CNN, Mountain View, California.